Hello, how are you? Before we begin the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Alright, let's get started. In this video, I will reveal which foods you can consume to get an immediate boost in testosterone and keep it functioning at its best, promoting muscle growth and increasing libido, among other benefits. After all, testosterone is the basis of male existence, and it is essential to take care of its levels and ensure that they are not below the ideal. Do you want to know how to boost your testosterone instantly and naturally? One of the best ways is through your diet. Are egg yolks really beneficial for testosterone, and are fruits like blackberries and pomegranates effective? Testosterone is a sexual hormone with numerous functions in the body. In men, it is responsible for the development of sperm, and it is also essential for sperm production, but the right balance must be found because levels that are too low or too high can reduce sperm count. This hormone is related to male characteristics such as facial and body hair growth, changes in voice, increased muscle mass, bone strengthening, and fat distribution. Testosterone is also intimately linked to sexual desire, meaning that the higher the testosterone, the greater the sexual appetite. Many men resort to testosterone supplements to gain muscle mass, but going back to our central theme, I will present the best foods that you can include in your diet to instantly elevate your testosterone levels. So get ready to know the foods that will boost your testosterone. The first food on our list that boosts testosterone is the egg. Egg yolks are abundant in healthy fats, proteins, and selenium, a mineral with antioxidant properties in the body. Several studies conducted in vitro and with animals suggest that selenium may contribute to the elevation of testosterone production by activating certain metabolic pathways and specific genes. Other studies involving humans and animals indicate that those with adequate levels of selenium in their blood have higher levels of testosterone. However, more studies, especially with humans, are still needed to confirm the impact of selenium on testosterone. Eggs are extremely nutritious and can be a valuable addition to your diet, except if you are allergic to them. It is worth noting that whole eggs are more nutritious than just the whites since the yolks concentrate most of the micronutrients. The second food on our list that increases testosterone is fatty fish. Species such as salmon and sardines are rich in essential nutrients for hormonal health, such as vitamin D, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. It is true that some high-fat foods, such as fried foods, may be related to a reduction in testosterone levels in some people. However, research also indicates that low-fat diets may be harmful to testosterone levels. A review of 6 studies conducted in 2021 concluded that low-fat diets were linked to lower testosterone levels compared to high-fat diets. However, researchers emphasized the need for more high-quality studies to fully understand this relationship. In any case, including healthy fat sources such as fatty fish in your diet can bring benefits to overall health, including hormonal health. In addition, fatty fish are excellent sources of zinc, vitamin D, and protein, fundamental nutrients to maintain adequate levels of testosterone. Studies suggest that men with low levels of vitamin D tend to have lower testosterone compared to those with higher levels of this vitamin. This is because vitamin D is crucial for male reproductive health. If you don't like to consume fish, you can try fish oil supplements. The third food on our list is ginger. It may help increase testosterone levels and improve male fertility. For centuries, ginger has been used as a natural remedy for various ailments, including sexual dysfunction. Some animal studies suggest that ginger may improve testosterone levels by increasing the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, which stimulates Leydig cells in the testicles to produce testosterone. However, more research is needed to confirm this effect in humans. The fourth food on our list is pomegranate. Pomegranate is a fruit that is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including potential benefits for male sexual health. Some studies suggest that pomegranate juice may help increase testosterone levels by reducing the activity of aromatase, an enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. However, more research is needed to confirm this effect and to determine the optimal amount of pomegranate to consume for this purpose. In conclusion, consuming certain foods can help increase testosterone levels naturally and may have other health benefits as well. However, it's important to keep in mind that diet is just one factor that can affect testosterone levels, and lifestyle factors such as exercise and stress management also play a role. If you're concerned about your testosterone levels or experiencing symptoms of low testosterone, it's best to talk to a healthcare provider who can help determine the underlying cause and recommend appropriate treatment options. Did you like the video? Then give it a like and follow us for more videos. See you later.